Let us see in this video how to prepare a cash payment voucher for a supplier against purchase order. A cash payment voucher for supplier against purchase order is used to record advance cash payments made to a supplier before receiving goods, or services. This entry links the cash payment to the specific advance purchase order, helping track supplier advances and ensuring proper adjustment during further purchase billing. Let us take an example. Cash, Cashier 1. Supplier name, Abrami Precision Works. Purchase order number, PCOD 2526000019. Our amount, 8,550 rupees. GL account, Abrami Precision Works AP. The slide shows the cash payment voucher workflow approval process, which consists of two levels, review and approval. First, after entries are given by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor. Once the supervisor has reviewed the document, it will be forwarded to the manager, who has the authority to approve it. The manager will then review and approve the document. This is how the workflow functions. Let us log in with the creator's username and password to create a cash payment voucher for a supplier against a purchase order. Click the Login button. Click Financials, then Transaction. Click Payment and Receipt to navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. Click the Pending CR Documents button. The Pending CR Documents button is used to view all pending credit documents related to the supplier that are yet to be adjusted, are paid. It helps identify supplier invoices, advances, RR, credit-related entries still awaiting processing in the system. Click the Pending Payable Advance button. The Pending Payable Advance button displays all supplier advance payments that are still pending adjustment. It allows viewing and selecting the purchase order, our advance document, for which the supplier has not received, or settled the advance amount. Enter the advance amount. Select the document. Click the Create button. Clicking the Create button provides two options, Single and Merge. Single is used to create a payment for a single party and is selected when the payment transaction involves only one supplier. Merge is used to create one combined payment for multiple parties using a single cash transaction. Select the voucher type. There are two options in voucher type, bank and cash. Choose the cash type. Choose the payment date using the date calendar. Select the cashier in the bank or cashier field. Click OK. The cash payment voucher document will be generated. Cash, voucher details, voucher prefix, voucher number, currency, and other details will be updated in the header. In the line section, GL account description, party name, CPC code, and amount and transaction currency will be updated. If any account is missed, it can be added through Get Document. If any document is missed, click the Add button in the line section, then select and add the pending document for the party. To view the selected document, click the View button. If needed, the document can be deleted, or the amount can be changed, but the amount cannot exceed the original document value. Select the Create Journal checkbox. The journal has been created. To review the journal, click the View Journal button. The party account will be debited. The cashier account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigate to the reviewer's login. Click the Login button and navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to forward the document to the manager. Then click OK. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigate to the manager's login and click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen and click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to approve the document, then click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.